Okay, another day, another 5 kilowatt solar panel array. Good afternoon everyone. Another day, another 5 kilowatt solar panel installation with 8 kilowatt hybrid inverter. Okay, and 10 kilowatt hour battery backup. Okay, so this is our overall installation with this piping going there with an EMA isolator. Okay, so thank you for watching and subscribe, share David San Solar.